Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Quake of magnitude 7 hit central Peru on 24th August 2014 at 6:20 p.m. The depth of this earthquake was 100 kilometers, which was 40 kilometers north of Quirquira and to the southeast of its capital of Lima. Several injuries were reported along with the buildings getting damaged. The damaged buildings included 14 houses, 3 schools and a church. Quake was felt in parts of Lima and in major cities of southeastern Peru, including Cusco and Arequipa. The emergency center also reported minor landslides in 2 areas. A tsunami warning was issued for the southern coast of Peru and evacuation for certain areas was ordered. Peru is situated along the boundary of 2 tectonic plates, the Nazca Plate and the South American Plate. Most of the large earthquakes in South America are constrained to shallow depths of 0 to 70 kilometers, resulting from both crustal and interplate deformation. Crustal earthquakes result from the deformation and mountain building in the overriding South America plate and generate earthquake as deep as approximately 50 kilometers. Interplate earthquake occur due to the slip along the dipping interface between the Nazca and the South American plates. Interplate earthquakes in this region are frequent and often large and occur between the depths of approximately 10 and 60 kilometers. Since 1900, numerous magnitude 8 or larger earthquakes have occurred on this subduction zone interface that were followed by devastating tsunamis, including the 1960 magnitude 9.5 earthquake in southern Chile, the largest instrumentally recorded earthquake in the world. Subduction of the Nazca Plate is geometrically complex and impacts the geology and the seismicity of the western edge of the South America. The intermediate depth regions of the subducting Nazca Plate can be segmented into 5 sections based on their angle of subduction beneath the South America Plate. Although the South America Plate exhibits a chain of active volcanism resulting from the subduction and partial melting of the Nazca Oceanic lithosphere along most of the arc, these regions of inferred shallow subduction correlate with an absence of volcanic activity. That's all for today. For more updates, stay tuned with us for It's Tomorrow News. Abraham Johnson.